Lakwade has been giving you gifts.
Your bathing water is ready.
How did you get them in so fast? There's a mother-in-law, and to learn new ways of doing things. Look at them.
You are 5 seconds, please. You are.
Reason, don't shout.
What is that man doing? Don't you know? They are sent by government to come and take our photographs. Yeah, okay. What is she doing?
She's reading a book. She does it all the time. She has many of them. That's why she can speak a good language.
Our men are building her house because she wants to come and live in our village.
No, they're building the school. One day I'll be able to read a book just like her.
The next thing they will do now is call all of us together and start questioning us.
My mother even told me that last night. But I told her it's going to be a waste of time. Because you can't tell them what we don't know.
I still think Lakwade did this. I told you, didn't I? I told you Awero once joked about running away with him.
When did she say that?
After that, Jimmy paid her bride price. During that time, she started behaving in a strange way.
Then you should only think to yourself that Lakwade did it. In fact, there have been too many, I think, from too many people since the wedding night.
You all know what this means to us girls yet to be married in Orita, don't you? Especially the four of us. Awero's best friends. They will think we are all the same.
Yes. Now only our fathers and brothers will think of marrying us.
I think we should go and visit my in-laws at Orita and show them the stuff we are made of. Is that not so? Yes!
Ajani, come and stop behaving like a man that you are not. I was told to come back quickly. The others are waiting for me at Bale's house.
We won't waste your time. We just want to know what the Bale and the elders have decided.
I don't know. They don't allow we children in. They'll just send us to go and fetch this, that.
Go quickly then. But be sure to come and tie your wife's ear if you hear anything.
He's lying.
War. It is what they want. Our men here are at Agbede. They won't stop until there is a war. Because the girl has made a mistake caused by a man.
And when there is a war, it is we the women and the children that will suffer.
They want me to dance half naked in the village.
I know they also do not care whether I live or die, or because I'm a woman. Nobody bothers to listen to me. Why should a woman be made to suffer in the world?
All our efforts to build a school for our children in our village has now been wasted. This is wickedness. All this destruction because of a small misunderstanding. It is wickedness.
And our young men too will love to retaliate.
And where will all this end?
Where? Who knows?
Will now be my mother because she's taking me away to live with her in the city.
My father doesn't want me to live in the city, so he has arranged with his brother to take me to Portno, where I will live with him and his family there.
My father is sending me to Lagos where there are many schools.
Teach her all you know. But remember, she doesn't eat fried egg and beans in Oyibo things.
There's no problem.
Take her as one of your own. During the holiday, let her come to the village.
Okay.
About me. I was born in this village. And here I will stay.
Ashake!
All right, I shall write you all a letter. Then I learn how to read and write.
Okay. Ashake!
Oh! Yeah.
Don't forget, always get in touch with us anytime you have any problem. Okay?
Thank you.
So take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
This war was started not by us, but by the cowardly act of some bastard!
All of us here had the best days of life on the earth of Orita village, which belong to our forefathers. Yeah! Now we call on our forefathers to witness this day!
I speak the words of my mothers and sisters to you here. Or maybe I should say, they who agreed to come with me to hear my words to you. To all you men who are about to die, and possibly take some of us women and children with you. And my words to you are simple. Here I am. I said, here I am. However, your scapegoat, your excuse for war, or maybe I should say, here she is. However, kill me. I beg you not to offer any blood on my behalf. Kill me first.
Can you tell me what happened at Orita village?
Tell Awaru, I am sorry.
And so, the healing began.
Àlàáfíà mo ní tẹ́ ẹ bá débẹ̀ ẹ bá mi kí wọn o gbogbo wa la ó fayọ̀ délé.
ẹ bá mi kí wọn o.
gbogbo wa la ó fayọ̀ délé wa. mo ní tẹ́ ẹ bá rí o ẹ bá ń kàwé ròyìn o ọmọge awẹ́lẹ̀ wa tó ń dá wa lọ́rùn o ilé owó ni ó wọ̀ ṣáyà ilé ọlá ni ó wọ̀ ṣáyà o.